In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create blank notes quickly in Obsidian, so you can capture ideas, meetings, or tasks without ever breaking your workflow. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The fastest method is using the command palette. Just press Ctrl+P on Windows or Linux, or Command+P on a Mac. Type New Note, select Create New Note, and press Enter. A blank note opens instantly, no clicking through menus required. You can also use the File Explorer shortcut by opening the left sidebar, clicking on the File Explorer panel, then right-clicking inside it and selecting New Note. A blank note is created immediately right there in your folder structure. If you have the ribbon enabled, you'll see a new note icon that looks like a page with a plus sign. Just click it, and a new blank note opens. Your keyboard shortcut might already be set. Try pressing Ctrl or Command+N. If that doesn't work, you can set it yourself in the hotkeys settings, which we'll cover in a moment. Another clever method is creating a note from a link. Just type a new wiki link like double square brackets, then your note name and closing brackets. Press Enter, and Obsidian creates that blank note automatically. The quick switcher works similarly. Press Ctrl or Command+O, type a new name, then press Enter. If the note doesn't exist yet, Obsidian creates it as a blank file. You can also create notes inside specific folders. Just right-click a folder in the File Explorer and hit New Note, and it lands right there. If you use the Templates plugin, you can create a truly blank template with minimal structure and insert it when making new notes. The Daily Notes plugin is fantastic for this too. Enable it, run, open today's daily note, and Obsidian auto creates a blank dated note for you. There's even a drag and type workflow. Click once in empty space in the File Explorer, then press Ctrl or Command+N. Here's a helpful habit. After creating any note, press F2 or right-click and choose Ream to give it a meaningful title right away. You can also create notes from search by typing a new title and opening the result. Obsidian will create the missing note automatically. If you want pure blank notes, make sure you're not auto-inserting templates. Check your template settings if needed. For the best optimization, go to Settings, then Hotkeys, and assign shortcuts for New Note and Open Daily Note. That makes note creation truly instant. On mobile, just tap the plus button for a new note, or use your Quick Action button. You can combine this with a naming system like Idea Dash, Meeting Dash, or Task Dash, then fill in the details later. I highly recommend the Inbox method. Create a folder called Inbox. All your blank notes go there first, and you sort them into proper folders later. The Create and Link workflow is powerful too. Just type double brackets around any new note name and turn ideas into notes instantly while you're writing. Finally, remember to regularly organize those blank notes. Merge or delete the ones you don't need to avoid clutter. And that's it. You can now create blank notes in seconds using shortcuts, links, or commands. This keeps your Obsidian workflow fast, frictionless, and idea-friendly. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.